Choosing the wrong polarity can lead to burn-through or insufficient penetration. In this video, I'll explain step by step in a clear and simple way what DC electrode negative and DC electrode positive polarities mean in stick welding, their differences, and when to use each one. DC electrode negative. In DC electrode negative polarity, the electrode holder is connected to negative and the workpiece to positive. This polarity provides shallower penetration and a more controlled weld pool. Therefore, it's preferred for welding thin materials to reduce the risk of burn-through. It's suitable for electrodes where the last digit is 2, 3, 4, 7 or 9. DC electrode positive. In DC electrode positive polarity, the electrode holder is connected to positive and the workpiece to negative. This polarity provides deeper penetration and a stronger arc effect. Therefore, it's preferred for thick materials and welding applications where deep penetration is required. It's suitable for electrodes, specifically those where the last digit is 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. In this video, we've explained step by step in a clear and simple way what DC electrode negative and DC electrode positive polarities mean in stick welding, their differences, and when to use each one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more stick welding tutorials. See you in the next video.